guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find saved messages settings on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick. First click on these three lines here, and now you will find it here, saved messages. Click on it, and that's it. That's how to find it. Easy and quick. And that's how to find your saved messages settings. And here you can manage it. You can manage your saved messages settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.